time na naman kami ni Sir ko. Ito, magbibili na naman kami ng aming konsumo for 1 month, guys. Eko na naman tayo Bibili na naman tayo ng mga light sauce, dark sauce. Pagbalik, guys, grocery. Guys, grocery time naman tayo. Parang Pilipinas din, guys, ang presyo. Wow. 7.85. Drumstick. Chicken wings. Ito na naman tayo. Here's my syrup. Okay, I buy coconut. The most important, guys, is coconut. Coconut. You see, 2 for 175. Okay, guys, 2 for 175. What? You see, guys, magkuha tayo ng light sauce. Light sauce, light sauce. Kahit akala nyo, guys, noon tag $1 lang itong light sauce na ito. Ngayon tang 3.40 na. As in. Grabe. Oh my goodness. Ang ano na talaga ngayon. As in, sobrang mahal na ng light sauce. Cleocamli 500 ml. Grabe. Ano? So, middle light soya sauce. Soy sauce. Soy sauce. Wala dito, guys, sa Singapore. Sobra, wala na ring mura. Guys, sobra ding mahal. Kahit ano, guys, yung mga powder na ginagamit namin sa pagba-barbecue, grabe, sobra din. 395. Black pepper, of course. Ito na lang gamitin namin sa barbecue. And guys, ito. Onion, paprika, cinnamon. Ginger, spices, herbs na. Guys, nagbabili talaga ako nito, guys. Sir, we buy, ha?
It's a brown sugar, but
Ayala, ma'am, no la. Ha? Sir, we buy cooking oil, no? Just time you tell me don't buy and what we buy here there. Was 1650. Mine is like finishing, no? There, canola, 1650, 1535. Okay lah. Ayo. Yeah. Tara. So far, our olive oil also finishing, no, but never mind. Let mom buy la de. Buy this one, sir.
Mr. One,
Yeah, de.
how much is it?
30.90.
How come this one might order?
The one is not.
Okay, take one.
Yeah, this one last time also I used, no, mom buy. Yan, as soon as olive oil for your steak. Every time they eat steak.
Also got olive oil.
But the
This is
one,
cheaper.
40 something.
Oh.
Walay na. Sometimes mom will buy also. Okay, rice. Yeah. 60.90. I don't know the NTUC now how much. 60.90.
Huh?
60.90 10 kg. I don't know. I don't know the NTUC now how much.
I think about the same.
Ah.
Remember almost the same.
Mm.
Chicken stock. You know, some of the vegetable that you cook,
What's
you put
second?
chicken stock also.
Then you
The
take.
powder one,
Yeah.
the powder one, right?
I have the chicken powder already. I buy chicken powder.
Then only-
Yeah, I buy. Oh, no need lah. You buy your peanut lah. I fry for you. Oh, you don't want ah? Yep. I don't know you are the one who eat. Asam I have asam. I have. Buy no I buy already. Eh, why the one cheap there? Very expensive. How many kg that one?
195,
How many?
500 grams.
Ah, that one cheap. This one no. Maybe different type.
How much is that?
This one for something only
The one how much?
$2 something.
But that one small,
No, lesser. If the one 500, the one bigger. Yeah. You don't believe me? You
No, you
check.
see, is it 500 grams? Maybe I see one.
At 500. 500.
It's 455.
Yeah, I tell you already. Yes, sir. Sir, buy mushroom. Mushroom. Wow, lucky the highway. See guys, the ham highway is cheaper. 290 only. Buy 3. Buy the chili.
How many? 2, right?
Oh, for your in case you what this one I totally don't have right now. This time we're having our steamboat now. Okay. Buy sardines, luncheon meat. Sobrang mahal na dito guys. I think there nothing.
You got peanut butter, right?
I don't know. I think the one
The day you bought one, no?
yeah, but I don't know how much left, sir. Yeah. Sir, just now I forgot to buy spaghetti noodle.
Huh?
I forgot to buy spaghetti noodle just now.
No, never mind. Later take a look at this one. Sometimes it's about the same price.
The spaghetti noodle, I think, sir. You choose for him the spaghetti, the peanut butter. So guys, sobrang mahal na din talaga dito guys. Hindi na makaya ang kamahalan. Singapore, Pilipinas, parang para-pareho lang guys. As in. No right there? Peanut butter? Oh. Who buy the one for Matt? You ah? Maybe here, the spaghetti noodle. I see.
This one you still got.
We have. You buy Malaysia a lot. The bihun here is different. There. You see the there. Sir. Very expensive. Sir. Expensive her.
You go Sheng Siong.
Yeah.
You put in the car first.
Yeah.
Then you
Tara.
go Sheng Siong.
We take a look lah. Maybe the water cheap no. The
Big value also no stock. Sometimes I will try no stock. Go Sheng Siong, I take a look.
yeah. Well, light sauce now expensive. Last time $1 one only light sauce. They can come to $1. Hey, you compare. You compare. 2 for 7.80. 2
Where?
7.80. You divide 3 something also. No.
Closest $8 lah.
Yeah lah.
So it's about $4 one.
Yeah, tara.
380.
I still have the whole chicken naman.
That day I bought quite a lot.
Kasi guys, Ayaw ko, ako pinakompare ko rin yan guys. Oh. Mag-ano yan yung ano, giant guys. Magpalit sila ng mga stock. Yan ang binili-bili namin ng mga ano, magbabayad na kami ni amoy ko. Ito ang ano namin, first round. Eh, sir, wait I will take the bread first. Yeah. Bread. This one. This is the one that I will like. Bread, guys. This one I like because this one's soft and smooth. It's more cheap. Next time you see it, so perfect. Good.
这个
Sumo. See guys, ito ang pinamili namin ni amo ko. See? Konsumo namin ito for 1 month. Kulang pa. Dito kami guys sa Giant Supermarket. See? Wala na talaga ngayong mura guys. Lahat mahal. Magpapunta pa kami sa ano. See? Yan guys. See? Ayan, ito ang ginano namin ni sir. Isa ito sa mga mall dito. Giant Supermarket. Mahirap na pag matanda ang amo ko guys. And see? Ito ang pinamili namin konsumo ko. 1 month. 3 tray na egg. 20 kg na rice. Yan ang aming ano. Guys, yan lang guys. Thank you for watching guys. Love you all. Hanggang sa susunod kong vlog. Mga drinks dito guys, mahal din. As in. Shing-shong na naman kami.